Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add schema on WordPress. Okay, so schema is more like Google's love language. It is how Google understand what your web page is all about. All right, so they call it schema markup actually. All right, so in this video I'm going to quickly show you how I would add a schema and how to first of all how to generate a schema and how to add it to my page. All right, so first of all, this is my website, chrisdigital.com. If you are just getting to know me, you are welcome to my world. chrisdigital.com is where I teach, where I write about affiliate marketing. I write about SEO, WordPress, and software. All right, and I also teach you how to make money online using my strategies, AI strategies. So first of all, I want to open up this post. Okay, this post is a review post which I've added a schema to it, but I'm not going to use this post. I'm going to use another post. All right, so let's say I would like to, this is a post I did on how to hire an SEO consultant service. All right, so this post here is an how to post. So I would like to add how to schema on the post, right? So let me open this post up. So I'm going to do two examples. So you see adding how to schema markup on how to pages and review markup on review pages. Okay, so this is another one, go high level AI employee review. So this is a review post. I will open this up. I think I already have a schema on this, but let's see. All right, so first off, I'll open up the post, and this is, as you can see, how to hire. So I would like to add a schema, how to schema, because this is a post on how to schema, right? So first off, okay, before I show you how to generate the schema, let me show you something. So I use RankMath. So if you automatically, RankMath has what we call a schema function. So when you get into your RankMath, you would see here and you click on this third icon here on the RankMath WordPress menu here. So by default, RankMath already has most of my posts are all they all have article schema, right? So this is an article, but it's an how to article. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to also add how to schema alongside the article schema by default. All right, so I'll go to schema, click on schema generator, right? And as you can see, there are a lot of different types of schemas here. We have article schema, book schema. Okay, by default, this is not this is how to. All right, so unfortunately, so this is the schema we would use. But you see, if you click on use on this, it's going to put a lot of name, description, short code, total time, a lot of jargons and all that. But this is a bit complicated, right? So what I would do is to use ChatGPT, as simple as ABC. So let me just use this. Let me just open this up and go to ChatGPT and say something like I need you to generate a schema markup for my post. I'm going to specify the schema markup on my post on. So I need to be specific, right? Generate and how to. All right. Yeah. So let's see. Let's go. So this is the first option, which is the first and more easier option, if you, to be honest. All right. And this is then the second option would be using a schema generator. So if you go to Google and search for schema markup generator, so this you can use this technicalseo.com. All right, so technicalseo.com is a schema JSON-LD schema generator. So what it does is, what type of schema would you like to create? So you create a how to. So name, you just need to name here, name how to then time, total time. So you put the time there. Then currency, if you need to add this currency, estimated, total time. Here you put, description, you write up your description. Then the image, you put it here. Then step 1 and step 2, blah, 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 blah. So you need to add steps to if it's HowTo Schema, you need to actually add a step, okay? So okay, this is another one. So I need to add steps to my HowTo, this is review. So I need to add steps to my HowTo, all right? So what you would do is you would copy the HowTo here. You copy all the HowTos and how you can work with lines, of project. Okay, what to look for in SEO present. Okay, these are different parts here. All right, so you can just copy the headings, and put it into your let's see. Let me remove the FAQ. Okay, so this is HowTo. The HowTo is a bit, I won't say complex, but it's a bit technical because you would need to put step 1 because it's an HowTo, right? So put image step 2, step 3. But with ChatGPT, it's very easy once you copy the headings. So I'll say I didn't. Oops, what am I doing? So you say I didn't give you the steps to use in the schema, right? Here are the headings. Kindly extract the top 5 HowTo steps. Okay, HowTo steps. Okay, this is it. So so I've pasted the, okay, perfect. Thanks for sharing the based on your art now. Extract for, okay, so this is it. All right, so this is type the schema type name. Let me explain this to you. Schema type name is HowTo, name, step by step. So this is a description of hire reference, freelance consultant. Okay, so this is the ID, how to hire. So this is the URL. I need to change this up with the URL, right? With the URL. Okay, then I need to change this up with the image. Then HowTo step, understand? Okay, so URL. So these are different different parts here. These are different parts, and I need to navigate it to the path. So let me just go here. Let me just let me close this. Let me show you what I'm doing soon. Okay, so for the URL, I need to copy the URL and replace. I just need to replace all this to avoid going back and forth in the WordPress editor. Copy link address. This is the post URL. This is the post URL. And let's see what else we have. Then the image, I need to copy the image URL. So this is the image URL. So this is the image URL here that I've copied. Image URL. So this is the image URL. Okay, so yeah, so it's going to update it. So quickly, let's quickly add the schema, right? So here on your RankMath, you just need to come here, click on this, then schema generator. Just pay attention to what I'm about to do right now. So I've added the URL here. This is the image URL, and let's see. Okay, so copy code. All right, so since we already have the JSON, same way if you're using a schema generator, you need to do that. You need to make sure you copy the code here as well. Then if you're using a plugin like RankMath, right, you just click on this, click on import. You click on import, JSON LD custom code, you click on this. So you're going to paste the code here, okay? So we've pasted the code. We've pasted the code here. So, but before we go, okay, let's process it first. then I'll show you something. So automatically it will find the schema how to, right? So you use. So this is basically, so here you can actually edit, go ahead and edit all these details, your web page, SEO consultant. So let me open this, and okay, this is the image I added. This is how to understand what a freelance. Okay, so the URL on understanding what a freelance consultant does. So let me share. So understand what a freelance consultant does. This is the URL, right? So I'll copy the URL, copy this URL. So this is a jump link. So just copy the jump link, and this is it. Then the next would be break down the key areas of SEO. So break down the key areas of SEO. Okay, let me this is what. Okay, breakdown. Okay, all right. This is breakdown. You copy this and put it here. Then the next would be choose the right work model. So you choose the right work model. Model as your consultant for hire. So let me see. I'm not sure. Okay, wait, I'm not getting this. Let me see. Should you decide if you need a okay. So as a consultant for how you work with a freelancer. Okay, how you work. Okay, so this is it here. Then how to evaluate consulting before hire. Okay, so you evaluate consulting before hire. As your consultant for hire. Okay, so this evaluation here. This is the evaluation. You add the URL. So I still believe this is much more better than using a tool, because then this work with your SEO specialist. Okay, nice. So the last part will be okay. So work with an SEO specialist. All right. Let me go back. I think is this. Okay, yeah. So this is it. All right. So that is that for this. Let me see. Let me go back. SEO consultant for hire. Let's see. Okay. So I would that is that. Then I will save this for this post. So I've added article schema, how to schema here. So let me show you something. Before I process this, let me quickly let me validate. So they just call Schema Validator. After adding your schema, make sure you validate your schema. Make sure everything is working perfectly without errors. All right. So let me open this up. This is what we call Schema Validator. To validate your schema, you enter your URL. So you run test, and let's see. I haven't saved the new so we have a blog schema. Okay, blog posting, which is default article, right? So this is basically what the schema has. So no how to. I'm not sure. We don't have any how to here. So we don't have any how to here, as you can see. So let's save. Let's save and run this. Let's validate this again. Let's save and validate this. Okay, so validated this. Let's run the test again. Let's run the test again. Let's see what we have. So we've added the schema. Let's see if we see going to see how to schema somewhere here. So as you can see, yeah, we have the how to schema here. We have the how to schema, how to hire an SEO consultant. So this is description. This is the image. This is the how to step I added. This is the URLs, the jump links to the URL. So yeah, that is it. This video is already long enough. So this video is, I'm going to tag this video on how to create HowTo Schema on WordPress. So the next video I will show you is how to create a review schema. So make sure you you check out check out the channel for more video on how to create review schema on WordPress. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. So with this, what this thing does is if there are errors, schema errors, which usually pops up in Google Console, it will help you catch the errors faster right on this place. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and see you on the next one.